Nordic means ski jumping and cross-country skiing are both components of the Nordic combined competition. The word of ski, which is connected to the Old Norse ski, which meant stick of wood, comes from Norway, where people have been using skis for hunting and other activities for thousands of years. Ski is related to the word stick of wood. The Holmenkollen Ski Festival in Oslo, Norway, in 1892 is credited with being the event that gave birth to the sport of Nordic combined. The Nordic combined is one of the original events that was included in the Winter Olympics. It was initially performed during the inaugural Winter Olympics, which were held in Chamonix, France, in 1924, and has been performed at every Olympic Games since then. There is currently only one men's competition in the Olympics, and it consists of 3 different events. These events include both a ski jump and a cross-country skiing race.